quick video how to remove this emergency mushroom switches. This is a red emergency stop switch that exists in a lot of equipment or tools, and here's one that I'm trying to replace that is worn out. So there is a clip here. Let me show you that that metal right there inside there, that is a clip that needs to come out. If you rotate it on this side, there's these two left and right. Let me show you that one right there and then that one right there. These two are the same clip that needs to be expanded and pushed out backward that way. Alright, so this can easily or easier to be done from this side if you just take a sharp metal like this, and I have only one hand, but I'm going to try to show you how this is done. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to do here is pry this out this way using my flathead screwdriver until it just completely come out and lift up like that. Alright, and it should just come right out. Okay, now to put it back, it is also just as easy as long as you understand the equipment, and you wiggle one side in and then you just snap it in like that. Okay, so I'm going to try to demonstrate it on this new switch. Again, to remove it here, I'm taking a plier actually on this one so that I can push that clip like that, and then it'll come out. So the switch can separate like that. Alright, and then to put it back, same thing. Keep that tension there and just snap it back. There you go. That's how you do it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.